The OBDPEAK K50 boasts a groundbreaking built-in three-system architecture, comprising the Android 13 system, Carplay system, and Android Auto system. This integration ensures seamless compatibility with a wide range of applications and functionalities, providing unparalleled flexibility and convenience for users. Equipped with dual lenses, the OBDPEAK K50 allows for simultaneous video recording, capturing both the front and rear views of your vehicle. The recorded footage is conveniently saved onto a TF card, enabling easy access and playback via the DVR or mobile app. Whether you're documenting your daily commute or embarking on a road trip, rest assured that every moment is captured with clarity and precision. Powered by a robust 4GB plus 64GB memory configuration and the Android 13 system, the K50 delivers exceptional performance and responsiveness. With support for SIM card 4G and Wi-Fi networks, users can seamlessly access a plethora of applications and services, including Google Store, Maps, online video music playback software, and more. Stay up to date with the latest features and enhancements through over-the-air OTA remote updates. With this innovative technology, you can receive timely updates, bug fixes, and performance improvements, ensuring that your K50 remains at the forefront of automotive innovation. The OBDPEAK K50 comes complete with essential accessories, including the AI screen, 24-hour monitoring power cord, Type-C, O cable, GPS module, user manual, and optional rear camera with approximately 6 meters cable. Experience the future of automotive technology with the OBDPEAK K50. Whether you're a tech-savvy enthusiast or a practical driver, this advanced device offers unparalleled convenience, connectivity, and safety features to enhance every aspect of your driving journey. Revolutionize your driving experience today with the OBDPEAK K50. Stay up to date with the latest features and enhancements through over-the-air OTA remote updates. With this innovative technology, you can receive timely updates, bug fixes, and performance improvements, ensuring that your K50 remains at the forefront of automotive innovation.